Making money on TikTok in 2024. Easy spy tactics. Online money. Hey everyone, welcome back to Jum Talks. Let's take our tour into the best online money-making methods ever. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, making money from TikTok in 2024. If you're set on turning your TikTok pastime into a money-making machine, you have come to the right place. Let's get straight to the simple spy tactics that will help you make big money on TikTok. Knowing about the platform. Before anything else, you need to know what TikTok is. It is more than just dancing videos and memes. TikTok is a major platform with a great following. Guys, there are over 1 billion active users here, and these could be your potential followers. Being aware of what is trending helps. Go through the For You page for a while. Observe what's already popular and think about how you can put your own spin on it. Don't forget that people love realness. Finding your niche. Afterward, discover your niche. What do you really like? Cooking, fashion, comedy? Just focus on what makes you happy and stick with it, because it will help build loyalty between them and yourself. Don't try to please everyone at once. Instead, be famous in each small group. Content creation tips. All right, let's go content now. When generating high-quality videos, it is important to have good lighting and audio. However, here's a spy tip. Make the videos brief and engaging. Even great if they range from 15 to 30 seconds. Make an eye-catching or delightful opening statement. Make sure you post on a regular basis, though. Consistency, my dear. Simply strive for no less than one piece per day. Leverage trends and challenges. Now this one is big. Leverage trends and challenges. TikTok follows the hottest things going around today. Ride the waves of trending hashtags plus challenges. You may gain visibility by using them, but ensure that it still feels authentic to your brand. Don't just copy. Add your twist. Engage with your audience. Connection is everything. Respond to comments, answer your DMs, and interact with your followers. Create content that encourages interaction, such as questions or polls. Also, going live is a good way to communicate with your audience. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to make money through gifts from fans. Collaborate with others. Partnering up with other TikTokers can help you expand your audience reach. Find creators within your niche and do duets or shoutouts so that both of you gain followers from each other. Ensure that the partners you choose have styles complementary to yours. A great collaboration feels natural, not forced. Monetization strategies. Okay, let's talk about getting paid. This is one of the most important questions that pop up among many. Here are some ways in which monetization can take place. Brand deals and sponsorships. Brands pay to promote their products by you, but ensure that they are trustworthy companies. TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok pays based on how many views each of your videos get. You can apply for it once you meet the requirements. Selling your own products. Do you have something to sell? Show it off on TikTok. Remember to include a link to an online store in your bio. Affiliate marketing. Merchandise promotion and payment of commissions when sold via bio and video links provided by the affiliate marketer. Live gifts. Wherever you go live, fans send virtual gifts that could be converted into real cash. This includes being able to turn virtual presents given in appreciation by one's fans during their lives into actual money deposited in their accounts. The next most important factor would be building a community. Creating a community is very important, you know? It's not just about followers, it's about making people feel like they belong. Show sincere interest in the comments you get. Ask for feedback and be grateful to your audience. Create a hashtag for your followers to use. This will not only help foster a sense of community, but also make it easier for you to find user-generated content to share. Cross-promote on other platforms. Don't forget about cross-promoting. Share your TikToks on Instagram, Twitter, or even YouTube. This not only brings new followers to your TikTok, but also diversifies your audience. Use Instagram stories as teasers for TikTok videos. Tweet about the latest challenges and trends. Also, if you have a YouTube channel, think about making compilation videos out of the best TikToks you've ever done. Creating viral content. Creating viral content is what everybody hopes to achieve on TikTok. So how do you go about it? Understand virality. Normally, viral content evokes robust emotions, humor, surprise, or motivation. Think about the kind of video that makes you want to watch it over and over again. Use a perfect hook. The first 2 to 3 seconds of your video are very important. Begin with an explosive start grabbing attention instantly. Relatable content. People like relatable content. Share stories from real-life experiences or trends that resonate with your target market. Post your knowledge on online courses. Put your proficiency on display through the creation of online courses. For example, you can use Udemy or Teachable platforms. Show your audience what is behind you and how they will benefit through you. Consulting. You could also decide to offer your services as a consultant. Brands and aspiring creators may pay you for guidance on how to succeed on TikTok. Keep your eyes and ears open to opportunities that help you grow. Look around and learn from these resources. Stay authentic and have fun. TikTok is a spot for creativity and expression. So, why not let your own self reflect and shine through every video you make? Lastly, always be true to yourself. Fake content can easily be spotted by users of TikTok from a distance away. Be real and let's know what you truly adore. Stay updated and keep learning. TikTok is always changing. Keep up with the latest features and trends. Follow other successful TikTokers and see what they are doing. Never stop learning and adapting to new things. Moreover, there are countless resources available online that will help you increase your TikTok game. So that's it. Simple spy tricks that will make you money in TikTok 2024. Remember, success does not come overnight. Stay consistent, continue learning, and most importantly, have fun with what you do. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for hanging on till the end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section.